This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kara Wisely. Lake Eustis Canal Front Condo with 1,679 square feet heated and cooled. Updated and open floor plan 3-bedroom and 2 full bath with 1/2 bath canal front condo with a new roof. The condo has high vaulted ceilings and skylights in the living room. The open floor plan includes an open kitchen with a walk-in pantry that looks out over the dining and living room combination onto the canal. Beyond the living room is a screened-in Florida room that overlooks the canal. The master suite features a walk-in closet and an extra closet with barn doors into master bathroom. There is a Jack and Jill bathroom with a shared shower/tub between second and third bedrooms. A laundry room off the corridor and near the kitchen. A nice-sized foyer at the front door which features a barn door closet. All this in an attached 2-car garage. The Condo Association maintains the lawn and building exterior, including the roof, power washing, exterior painting, water for lawns, pest control, building insurance, and amenities. Cypress Cove is a waterfront community on Beautiful Lake Eustis, part of the Lake Harris chain of lakes. There are 8 community boat docks, pool, and spa, and a waterfront gazebo to enjoy fishing and breathtaking sunsets. Come and see today. For more information, review the details below.